So we've got Jerry's Harley in for the supercharger treatment. Cam, pistons, head studs, 68mm throttle body. At the moment it's just on the dyno as it came in to get a base run. So let's see what she makes.
Like MotoGP speed. Doing a wheelie at 140 mile an hour. That is so fast, isn't it?
So Jerry's Harley as it came in is M8 for an 114 motor. Is making 105 horsepower, 127 foot-pound of torque. Not too shabby. 127 foot-pound of torque. Look at that torque curve. No top end. She's all done and dusted by 4,500. Then of course at the top end the speed limiter comes in and just chops all the power as it closes the throttle. But that's our starting point. Let's see where we can go with this one. Triumph Rocket 3 in for TTS supercharger, TTS cams, TTS pistons, hold it all together. 300 plus horsepower expected. This is the base run. So the base run has given us a total of 150 horsepower, 140 foot-pound of torque. So this GT has given us 150 horsepower, 140 foot-pound of torque. As expected, because the throttles are closed off to about 50% or so. But we'll get rid of these restrictions as well as put the supercharger on it. So he's going to have over double the horsepower to what he's used to here. He should find it a little bit exciting. Lovely GSX 1400 in for our supercharger kit, set of cams. First of a new generation of GSX 1400 supercharger kits we're going to produce. So watch this space. So we've got Kev's GSX 1400, get a baseline run before we do the supercharging, and she's making 114 horsepower and 83 foot-pound of torque. So that's our starting point, put the supercharger on it and see what we can get out of her.